Right, so it's been a long time since I put out a video, but anyways, I'm here in the shop today and I thought I would show you guys a really cool tool that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm doing a little bit of work here on some electronics for my CNC machine that I'm building. So just really quick, I picked this up. It was for around $22. It's a really cool little soldering gun. It looks like a gun. But anyways, the way this works is you put your roll of solder in here, and it has a ratchet mechanism in here that pulls that solder through the line, and it shoots it out through the tip there. It's already heated up here, and I'm just going to show you really quick how easy it is to tin a wire. So here we go. And that's pretty much it. It's done. So when it comes to this soldering iron, it's really easy to use. I thought I'd show you guys because a lot of you guys out there do some electrical work, and I mean this really makes it easy to do tinning wires or just soldering in general. This one right here is a 50 watt. I've seen a couple models, they go up to like 60 or 70 watts. And depending what accessories you want, I mean, you could get even like tweezers. This one included the tweezers and the little suction mechanism to pull out solder. So that is really cool. Maybe I should demonstrate that. So just let me go ahead and load that up, and then I'll get some solder on here. Oh, okay, I got solder. I don't know, I can't get this on the camera, but let's see. I don't know if you guys saw that. I did. There's kind of some solder there on the tip of the little suction pen there. But yeah, I cleaned it off of the tip there. That was pretty cool. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll go ahead and have a link down below. I mean, you guys, it's not an affiliate link or anything. Check it out and check out the other models, whatever you're interested in. Think about purchasing one. It really makes things easier. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.